lives. The ceremony. A grief tore at her heart. It was not the kind of grief that chokes the throat and sends tears welling up to the top of your head, because this biting kind of sadness that makes you produce hot tears, that's the shock. No, it was a different kind of sadness, one that sticks to the soul, the kind you pass on. It is passed down through the generations until the descendants finally get frightened by it without knowing where it comes from and why. At that moment, she was completely silent. Her heart was pounding like a fading injury, slowly and without intensity. She waited. Above her, an infinite number of stars sparkled for as far as one could see. She exhaled. It was unavoidable, inevitable. The 5 shamans had all channeled the same vision. A disaster of enormous proportions would befall their people, all the peoples of the continent, and ultimately all the continents on Earth.